Welcome to our channel. Has life turned your smile upside down? Well, you're not alone. That's why we've put together a list of some of the world's funniest jokes for humans just like you. We've also included pros and cons for laughter. Keep watching to find out which jokes tickled you best. The pros and cons of laughter. Pros. Reduces stress. Laughter can help reduce the levels of the stress hormone cortisol in the body, which can help relieve stress and tension. Boosts immune system. Laughter may also help boost the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and activating immune cells. Improves mood. Laughter can increase the production of endorphins, the body's natural feel-good chemicals, which can help improve mood and reduce feelings of anxiety and depression. Cons. Can be inappropriate. Laughter at inappropriate times, such as during a serious or somber occasion, i.e., a coronation, funeral, or golf tournament. Loss of bladder control. Intense laughter can cause bladder discharge, peeing your pants. Can be physically exhausting. Prolonged and intense laughter can sometimes be physically exhausting, cause muscle strains or soreness, and possibly cause loss of consciousness, fainting. Are you ready? It's time to laugh. Why did the chicken cross the playground? To get to the other slide. What do you get when you cross a snowman and a shark? Frostbite. What did one pencil say to the other pencil? You're looking very sharp. What's the best way to watch a fly fishing tournament? Live stream. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Why did the math book look so sad? Because it had too many problems. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they'd be baygulls. What do you call an alligator in a vest? An investigator. What kind of music do mummies listen to? Rap music. 10. Why did the orange go out with the prune? Because it couldn't get a date. 11. Why did the scarecrow win an award? Because he was outstanding in his field. 12. Why did the cow go to outer space? To see the moon. 13. What do you call a bear with no ears? B. 14. Why was the computer cold? It left its windows open. 15. What do you call a bee that's having a bad hair day? A frisbee. 16. Why do bicycles fall over? Because they're too tired. 17. Why do elephants never use computers? They're afraid of mice. What do you call a pig that knows karate? A pork chop. Why don't oysters share their pearls? Because they're shellfish. Why did the football team go to the bank? To get their quarterback. Why did the coffee file a police report? It got mugged. What do you call a lazy kangaroo? A pouch potato. Why did the tomato blush? Because it saw the salad dressing. What did the grape say when it got stepped on? Nothing, it just let out a little whine. Why did the math book look sad? Because it had too many problems. What do you call a fake noodle? An imposter. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Why did the teddy bear say no to dessert? Because it was already stuffed. What do you call a cow that plays music? A musician. What do you call a fake rock? A sham rock. What do you call a sheep that can sing? Unique. What do you call a snowman with a six-pack? An abdominal snowman. Why did the banana go to the doctor? Because it wasn't peeling well. Why don't scientists trust atoms? Because they make up everything. Why do cows wear bells? Because their horns don't work. Why don't eggs tell joked? They'd crack each other up. Why was the belt sent to jail? For holding up pants. What did the janitor say when he jumped out of the closet? Supplies. What did one hat say to the other? Stay here, I'm going on ahead. What do you call a boat that doesn't sink? A miracle. What did one traffic light say to the other traffic light? Don't look, I'm changing. What did one elevator say to the other? I think I'm coming down with something. Why did the monkey like the banana? Because it had a peel. Why do birds fly south for the winter? Because it's too far to walk. Why did the computer go to the doctor? Because it had a virus. What did the green grape say to purple grape? Breathe. Why don't penguins like talking to strangers at parties? Because they find it hard to break the ice. Why do hummingbirds hum? Because they don't know the words. What is sweet and walks across a desert? A caramel. The end time to fly a kite. Bye.